Hello dear students. Now today let us discuss one more concept in thermal properties of matter, that is principle of thermometry. What is the meaning of principle of thermometry? It is the process how to measure the temperature of a material by using its any property. Any property means it may be pressure, volume or resistance, etc. So how it depends now to measure the temperature of material, its property should varies linearly with the temperature. What is the meaning of linear here? Directly proportional. Now the relationship among them is given by, so temperature T is equal to xt minus x naught by x 100 minus x naught into 100 degree Celsius. What is the xt? Xt is the property. Here xt means property means maybe pressure, maybe volume, maybe resistance at what temperature? At temperature T. And x naught is at 0 degree Celsius or at a ice point. Already we know what is the meaning of ice point. And x 100 is at 100 degrees Celsius or at a steam point. Therefore, this formula, if you use this formula, we can find out the relationship among the different quantities in this formula. But when they have given pressure, please in place of the xt you substitute the pressure, in place of the x naught you substitute the pressure at 0 degrees Celsius, and in place of the x 100 you substitute the pressure at 100 degrees Celsius, and x naught is as usual. Therefore now here xt is the property at what temperature? That temperature is T. Now one more formula let us discuss, that is based on the triple point of water. We know already in the theory what is the meaning of triple point of water. We have discussed already in the theory. Now on the concept of triple point of water, now the temperature Tk is equal to 273.16 x by xtr Kelvin. So here what is the x? X is the property. Already we have discussed, no? Here property means pressure, maybe volume, maybe temperature in Kelvin at Tk, means at temperature Tk. This is the property of the given material. And here xtr is the same property, maybe pressure, maybe volume, maybe temperature at what? At a triple point of water. So what is the temperature of triple point of water? That is 273.16 Kelvin. So in the first formula, T is equal to xt minus x naught by x 100 minus x naught into 100, and so Tk is equal to 273.16 into x by xtr Kelvin. These two formulas are important so solve the problem. Okay, and this is a very important. All of you once note these formulas, and some problems let us discuss based on these two formulas today. Now let us discuss first problem. That problem is the readings corresponding to the ice point and steam point. Ice point means 0 degrees Celsius, steam point means 100 degrees Celsius. For a constant pressure gas thermometer, here pressure is constant, means pressure is not changing with the temperature, or 500 cc and 545 cc. So what is the meaning of cc? That is the volume. 500 volume, 500 cc volume and 545 cc volume. If the reading corresponding to the room temperature be 510 cc, what is the room temperature? Means at room temperature the volume is 510 cubic centimeter of volume. Then what is that temperature they are asking? So now it is in terms of the volume. Therefore the temperature formula T is equal to volume at a T given temperature and volume at 0 degrees Celsius by volume at 100 degrees Celsius minus volume at 0 degrees Celsius into 100. This is the required formula for this problem. Therefore T is equal to, now Vt we have to, they have given how much it is, that is 510 V naught, means what? At ice point the volume is 500 cc, therefore that is 500 by here V100 means what? Volume at 100 degrees Celsius, that is the 545. Therefore 545 minus 500 into 100 we can take. Now so T is equal to, if you simplify 510 minus 500, that is the 10, and 545 minus 5, that is 35, and into 100. If you simplify this problem, you will get the temperature of the room, that is 22.2 degrees Celsius. This is the required answer for that problem. Now let us discuss one more problem. A constant volume gas thermometer shows reading of 50 centimeter and 90 centimeter of Hg at 0 degree Celsius and 100 degree Celsius. Means what? At 0 degree Celsius the pressure is 50 centimeter of Hg, and at 100 degree Celsius the pressure is 90 centimeter of Hg. Then what is the question? So what is the pressure at 25 degrees Celsius they are asking. Now here, so now the formula, this is a constant volume gas thermometer. Means what? Your volume is constant but pressure is changing. Therefore the temperature formula already we know that is equal to pressure at temperature, that is Pt, and pressure at pressure at 0 degree Celsius, that is P naught, and pressure at 100 degree Celsius, that is P100 minus P naught into 100. So here the question, in the previous question they asked the value of temperature, but in this question they are asking the reverse way. They have given already T value. T value is equal to 25, that is equal to PT. They are asking that PT value only, and P naught value they have given, that is 50 centimeter, and it is 90 centimeter minus 50 centimeter into 100. And if you take that 100 and you will get that 1 by 4 is equal to PT minus 50 by, so 90 minus 50, 40, and solving this you are getting the answer. The pressure at 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 60 centimeter of Hg. So this is the answer for that question. And one more point is that here the units of the pressure, you know that Newton per meter square or Pascal, but here centimeter of Hg. In this formula not need to convert the units into Newton per meter square. Why? Because here the numerator and denominator units are cancelled to each other. Not need to worry about it. Now let us discuss the last problem of the topic. The resistance of a platinum resistance thermometer is found to be 11 ohm when dipped in a triple point cell. Means 11 ohm is the resistance at a triple point of water. When it is dipped in a bath, resistance is 28.887 ohm. What is the temperature of the bath in degrees Celsius on platinum scale? We know that the resistance or the any property in terms of the triple point of water is given by Tk is equal to 273.15 into the given property x by and the property at a triple point of water, and this is in terms of the Kelvin. And if you substitute the given values, you can get that 273.15, and x value they have given that 28.887, and that is the triple point, that is they have given 11, and this value on solving you are getting the answer 717.32 Kelvin. But they are asking this temperature is in terms of the degrees Celsius. Therefore we know that the relation T is equal to, so the answer is T minus 273.15 Kelvin. That is equal to, if you substitute there, 717.32 minus 273.15. So these answer you are nearly going to get 444 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature of the bath on degrees Celsius scale.